Alright, today is April 7, Thursday. Beautiful, sunny weather today over here at Northwest, Oregon side. Great day to go practice and do some shooting today. Today I'm going to be running some practice drills and get to know my Tavor. We'll see how it goes. It's already been sighted in at 50 yards, so I'm just going to be doing some reloading drills and just get to know it kind of thing, get the feel of it. All right, so let's do it. The Tavor is already set up right here. It's pretty much still all stock. Sorry about the extra noise outside. People are practicing and shooting as well. Some safety. There is a mag over here, but there's nothing in the chamber. Trigger stock. I attached this Vortex AMG red dot holographic. All right, so initial thoughts about the Tavor TX95 for me so far. First time I've had it, I set it in the Vortex AMG. Second time I used it was just to cycle rounds to it. Used about 120 rounds. The Tavor cycled well, no issues. Third time today, did some free ranging to practice on the Tavor. Cycled well, no issue. Ran about 150 rounds to it. My thoughts so far is I do love it. The Vortex red dot matches well with it. Feels a little bulky, but it's something I still need to work on to do more practice with. I definitely need to practice doing some reloading with the magazines, as I'm more used to the AR15 type. Other than that, it's a great gun and definitely worth the price. All right, well, that's just my quick review on the Tavor. Just wanted to thank you guys for watching the video, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.